Alrighty, we are here with our weekly grocery haul. You will be seeing our meal plan, grocery haul, and actually the presentation of each meal.
Alright, so tonight we're going to be doing fajitas.
Fajita bowl, baby. You got that thick cashew cheese in there. This is a banger and one of my favorites.
So with that, we'll be using some portobello mushrooms.
Got some portobellos, and we got all type of mushrooms this week, so they're everywhere.
Don't get ahead of yourself.
Yep, don't get ahead of myself here. And as you see, as we show them, we're going to get them off the table.
Because we'll be using 3 different peppers, but we'll kind of like take them down piece by piece. So that'll be part of it. We use some red onions.
The garlic. I will do the hunting.
Yeah, it's like playing Jenga.
It's like right here.
Oh.
Yeah. Look at that. I'm a beast at this game.
All right.
It's like I Spy.
It is. All right, and then we're also going to be doing 2 cans of pinto beans.
2 cans of pinto beans. Avocados. Yes, I will find those. Oh, they're down here. Boom. Easy.
Throwing some avocados on there. In the sauce is going to be some lime juice. So we'll be using fresh squeezed limes, of course.
Of course. Gotta do it.
There
Nice
is a small can of chipotle peppers and adobo sauce we'll be using.
These are really good. I remember those.
Yep. It's a little spicy.
As I choke on this kombucha.
And then we'll also be making a kind of like vegan cheese sauce to go along with this. So we'll be using some cashew yogurt, just the plain kind, because we'll let the other flavors take over. And the salsa, which
It's right here.
Right here.
Boom.
Alright. We get that medium stuff because I don't like it super spicy, but just a little bit, you know.
So what's
then-
going to be in the cheese sauce? Cashew yogurt,
Cashew.
probably nutritional yeast.
Cashews, cashew yogurt, nutritional yeast, salsa, some spices, some pickled jalapenos, water. All good stuff.
Can't wait to eat those. Those are one of my favorites. Alrighty, moving along.
Okay, we have lentil walnut bolognese pasta. So this is an instant pot one.
Oh, lentil walnut bolognese pasta. High protein.
Protein.
Yeah. Okay.
We already have the lentils. Walnuts we've purchased. They're in the front.
Walnuts.
We're gonna cut these up, and then the lentils are gonna be red lentils. So super high in protein for this one. And then we're also, of course, every meal needs some frickin' onion in it. So we'll be using some onions, of course.
It's not a Chrissy meal if it doesn't have onion or garlic in it.
It's true. And then we'll also be using 8 ounces of shiitake mushrooms.
Shiitake! Love them. We love mushrooms, and we love peppers, and we love fresh produce. We're trying to show you guys how to level your game up. None of that processed garbage, none of that fake meat. This is going to be homemade fake meat.
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
We'll do that too. Yep. So we are also using red lentil pasta and red lentils in there. So much protein. So good for you. Hand me the red wine.
Boom. We're using red wine in it as well, apparently. Yep. Cooking with wine. And then you have a little bit of a glass of wine with that as well.
Yes,
hey,
we're using
not
a
complaining.
Zinfandel, but you do want something on the drier side for cooking with. So we usually either do that or like a Pinot Noir if we're going for reds. Some diced tomatoes put in there. And then, do you see our marinara sauce?
Yeah, apparently we have marinara sauce as well, and it got lost in the car, so we can't show you what marinara sauce we got, but it's just marinara sauce, and it is going to be topped with parsley. Boom.
Little Italian recipe, because we're Italian people. And then next we'll be doing a sesame orange chickpea stir fry.
Yeah, look at this beauty. Ooh. Sesame orange chickpea stir fry over some rice. Beauty.
Alright, you want to guess what's in there?
Sesame orange. Well, I see oranges on the table.
Yep, so we'll be doing
this is a
some
good start.
freshly squeezed orange juice.
Sesame orange chickpea. I mean, we got about 8 boxes of chickpeas here. So
and we'll be using 2 for this.
So we're going to be using 2 for this. Okay, let's go ahead and remove 2 off the table.
We will be using some red bell pepper in there. Because I had lots of bell peppers this week. And the green beans. And then broccoli, of course, because that goes really well on any type of like Asian-like dishes. So we'll be throwing some broccoli in there, probably steamed. And that might be it, honestly, for this one. Well, actually, some green onion to top it with. The green onion, we'll probably use like one of these here, and then kind of use them throughout the week. Yeah, they also smell good. The next one is couscous and chickpea stuffed peppers. So this isn't in the Instant Pot, which is actually really convenient to make stuffed peppers in the Instant Pot. There's like a little trivet that you put in, and you put water in there.
Yep.
Stuff the peppers and put them all in there.
Which I do love these ones as well.
Here's our beautiful stuffed peppers. Go ahead, Chrissy, you can go ahead and cut this.
Trust me to do this?
Sure. Like we mentioned, little couscous. Oh, that was a perfect cut. Look at that. Anything we didn't mention? We did mention the tahini sauce and everything.
Yeah, well, the top it's just topped with tahini, so it's nothing special. But in the inside, there's tahini in there too.
Look at that, beautiful.
So obviously,
almost like a
peppers.
Greek kind
It
of
is.
style. Is that what it is? Okay.
Yep.
That's what it tastes like and
Yeah.
seems like. Yeah, okay. Wow. I am getting more cultured. That's why we're doing these videos. Because Missy Chris's been doing her thing for like 2.5 years now,
Yep.
grinding it out, has been undocumented, and I just forget about it. So I'm trying to learn too. I'm like with you guys here on this journey. I've been just eating plain, healthy stuff for my whole vegan journey. She came into my life and stepped everything up. I said, you know what? We got to elevate everybody else too. Got to stop holding this in this household. We got to share it.
Okay.
More chickpeas.
in here. Of
All
course, you need couscous for the couscous stuffed peppers.
Yes. Couscous!
Let's try.
I love couscous. It does taste really good. And
It does.
the stuffed peppers, it goes great with like the Greek style.
And this one's like a tri-colored one too, so it's a little bit more fun. I don't know if you can see that. And we'll be putting some marinated artichokes in there. So a little bit of a different one. We don't do artichokes super often, but they're still good.
Yep, it's good to mix it up.
And these ones, they're kind of a Greek style.
Yep.
We'll have some dill in there. Sauce is gonna be tahini. They didn't have our normal tahini, so I had to get this little baby one, but it's okay.
Looks like we have another homemade vegan meat recipe here. We have portobello, mushroom, and chickpea burgers.
Holy. Look at this beauty. Looks like a Krabby Patty. What is on there? I see that portobello mushroom right here.
Yep.
And then we got a chickpea patty.
There's chickpea patty. There's garlic aioli made from cashews and roasted garlic.
Ooh, high
Some
protein.
tomatoes, caramelized onions, and then for the side we have roasted potatoes and green beans.
Ooh.
So that lets me know
Yes.
that we have portobello mushrooms.
Yeah. So this one, it's gonna be balsamic marinated portobello mushroom caps on top of a
so good.
chickpea burger patty, and there's going to be a garlic aioli, so like a garlic sauce made from cashews and garlic, and some caramelized onion on this.
Yes, I love the marinated portobellos. It's so good.
So we'll be doing
I love
that.
balsamic flavor. It's so good. Love it.
More chickpeas. Can't sense a common theme. We love chickpeas.
Yes, chickpeas are alkaline foods on Dr. Sebi's alkaline list. Google it. Super good for you. It's not why we eat them all the time, but we love them. We got the buns.
Buns, of course.
The buns, these are our favorite buns, the Killer Dave's, because he kind of looks like me, nice and jacked. So that's
Super
what we're trying
healthy
to.
for you.
Yep, let's get it.
We doing those. And some little sliced tomato on there. Of course, we'll be using some cilantro in the chickpea patties. A little bit of flavor. Only other thing is going to be the panko breadcrumbs
What is that for?
for the chickpea patties.
Oh, to bread the patty. Duh.
Yeah, it'll help it hold together a little bit. think I forgot one of the ones is going to use lemons. But we use these throughout the week.
All right, moving on. We got a maple bourbon chili.
Maple bourbon chili. Sweet potatoes. You already seen what's in it, or you're about to. So good.
That is one of my favorites.
It's so
Another Instapot recipe.
Yeah, this one,
Banger.
so easy to make. It's the best. So we're going to have some sweet potatoes in there. We got 2 honkers from freaking Whole Foods. They're huge. Feel these guys. They're
I know,
so
they're
heavy.
massive.
Massive sweet potatoes. Love sweet potatoes. Love sweet potatoes and chili.
Yeah,
course.
sweet potatoes and chili is like a godsend.
Yeah.
So good.
All right. Can you guess what else is going to be in our chili? You guessed correctly.
Are these black beans? I don't even have to see them. I'm guessing. Oh, they're kidney beans. Same thing. Kidney beans.
It's not the same thing.
No salt added, baby.
Alrighty, thank you. Alright, and then we'll also be using some jalapeno peppers for a little bit of heat in that chili. Some diced tomatoes. Of course, gotta have that in chili.
Topping them with this.
Oh yeah.
I already know that. Come on. Topping it.
So good to have that little crunch on top of there.
Yes.
More cilantro, of course. Gotta have it. Alright.
It looks like we are down to the last recipe, which we have stapled as Chrissy's curry. This is where we take everything that we have left for the week, throw it into a pot, and make some curry out of it.
Woo! If you guys could smell this. This is that Chrissy's curry, baby. I just realized I say this every time. This is one of my favorites, because everything Chrissy makes is a banger!
This is our favorite curry sauce that we'd like to use right here, which is what? This is the Maya Kayama.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Kayama.
No, it's Madras curry sauce.
Oh, okay. No.
Yeah. Oh, the brand.
Yeah, the brand.
Okay.
And then we're using some red potatoes. Can only assume this is going to be a good base. We're going to use some mushrooms for it.
Yep.
And whatever's left out of all the produce that we just
Onion,
showed.
bell pepper, probably.
Yep, bell
Throw
peppers.
it in there. This is one of my favorite
Chickpeas.
Yeah, chickpeas, of course. One of my favorite kind of like lazy recipes because you just saute all your veggies, throw the sauce on there, make some rice on the side.
That's
super easy, super tasty. Just make sure that you're getting some good, high quality curry sauce.
Yes, don't cheap out on the curry sauce. That's going to be your whole flavor right there.
Yep.
And it looks like we're left with some snacks. This is one that I absolutely love to get. These almond butter pretzels. The almond butter ones, for some reason, are so much better than the peanut butter ones, which is kind of disappointing to me because they give you about half the amount. But it's just a whole different game. Like, they fill them up more. They're more creamy tasting. I don't know. Something about them. All right, speaking of them, she has to eat a couple. And then while she's doing that, we have the weekly stuff, which is my favorite smoothie on earth, which is about 15 dates, medjool dates with the pit inside. If you're not pulling the seed out, those dates need to go in the garbage. Don't be going cheap and letting the machine take the seed out for you. It takes all the tastiness away from it. These taste like a caramel treat. So 15 dates, hemp seeds, cocoa nibs, frozen blueberries, vanilla cashew yogurt. This is the one right here. This is the one. So good. Put it in a blender. Brrr. There you go. There's your smoothie. Let's go ahead and put these aside. And then we have one of our few processed things other than sauces is our weekly coffee creamer. We do love the oat milk ones. I'm more of a sweet tooth, so I like the cinnamon roll. Chrissy's a little bit less of a sweet tooth. She likes the vanilla. I do love the vanilla as well when I'm not feeling like having a sugar rush right in the morning when I wake up. And that has successfully concluded our video. Hopefully I don't delete this one like I did last week.
It's gonna be some bangers.
Yeah, so we're gonna have bangers this week. You missed out on last week, unfortunately, because I'm a dunce and I deleted it. But if you want to see more of these videos, click that like button, give us a subscribe, stick around. We're gonna get you on your journey to self-improve yourself every single day and to eat better every single week, baby. This is the goal. This is the grind. It's easy, too. We both work full-time. This isn't something that we're just solely doing So get after it.